If you're seeing a 500 internal server error on X, also known as Twitter, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try right away to get the site working again. These steps are simple, fast, and they often solve the problem without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, try a hard refresh. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus F5. This forces your browser to reload the page completely instead of using a saved version. Sometimes a fresh reload is all it takes to clear a temporary loading issue on X. If that does not work, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then clear them. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes cause X to throw a server error, so this step is very important. After that, open a private browsing window. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to launch an incognito or private window, depending on your browser. Then go to X again and check if it loads properly. If X works in private mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data, extensions, or saved session. These 3 steps solve the problem for a lot of users, especially when the error is caused by temporary browser issues rather than a real problem with the platform itself. So in order, try a hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5, clear cookies and cache with Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, and then test X again in a private window using Ctrl plus Shift plus N. If one of these fixes works, you should be able to get back into X without seeing the 500 error. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple fixes just like this.